country boy. Yeah, I'm a country boy. Oh, I'm just a country boy.
Another beautiful day. Just a little update here, guys. I got this side of the bed sanded down. So pretty much I just got the door, the fender, and the roof, and then I'm ready to prime. I was having some oil pressure problems, or not really problems, but when I first started the truck, the needle would be halfway, which is usually right, and then when it warmed up, it would drop down to between the halfway and this line here. I've never had that happen, but I did go to a thinner oil, so I'm thinking that's a problem. So I'm going to drain that out and swap over to some 15 W20. I have 10 W30 in there right now, but I think because it's getting warmer, I need to get some thicker oil in there. Doing a little cleaning up here, kind of straightening, organizing things out. Look at that big pile of stuff. Fender to a 1928 International pickup truck, if anybody's looking for one of them. Old electric motors and all sorts of goodies. I pulled this thing out. Tried to start it, but it wouldn't fire off. First I thought it was a spark. Then I went down here and pulled this fuel line off, and there was no... the fuel pump's not pumping anything, so this must be bad, the fuel pump. So I'll have to get one of those. But the old John Deere is still running good. Battery's dead though. Alright, that's what's going on here. Look what's under my floor mat here. Well, that was before I lived here. He's at it again. Alright, now the door and the cab and the fender are done, so this side of the truck is pretty much done, and the only thing left to do is the roof, and then I can prime it. And this fender here is pretty much all in bare metal, so I really gotta get some primer on this thing. What a beautiful day. 70 degrees. There's the big Ford over there. And I pulled this little thingy in here, which hasn't been started since September 2014. So I think I'm gonna see if it'll fire up. I think there's no gas in the tank. I just primed it, squirted a little bit of gas in there, but I'm gonna have to go get some gas, and I'm sure it'll stay running. Well, I put another mile on this thing today, driving around the property. She's running good. Well, it's another day out here. Today I'm gonna sand this roof down, get that nice and smooth, It's still in the primer from when I primed it in the summer. So I'm going to sand that down and get it ready for hopefully what will be the last coat of primer.